Explain comparative tax impact or efficiency each of the two alternatives with referencing to the below aspect. Deductibility of the cost of any feasibility study and other preparatory expense related to establishment of the mill. Pricing of palm fruit supplied by the plantation to the mill. The deductibility of the loan interest, capital allowance available, treatment of initial loss income. Not so bad. 16 marks. You should be quite fast. See whether you can handle the 16 mark. Green Gold owns operates palm oil plantation various parts. To date, it has been selling palm oil fruits to mills and refinery mill. Has been consistently profitable. In recent board meeting, decided the company will build a mill to process the palm oil into crude oil. Okay, the capital investment in the mill plant machinery is estimated to be 100 million. It's a lot of money, yes or not? Which will be financed by a loan to be raised by Green Gold. The mill will be located on one of the plantation. The mill operation is expected to incur an adjusted loss for the first 2 years, but profitable thereafter. So remember, it's going to make a loss, but it's profitable thereafter. Now, question. Two alternatives. Green Gold will own and operate the mill as an extension of its plantation business. New company, wholly owned subsidiary of Green Gold, wholly owned subsidiary. Think about group relief, isn't it? Yeah. Were you aware of group relief? Yes, no. Can incorporated to hold the mill and operate. Okay, now first part. So basically, I'm just going to do this part. This is part Green Gold. Yes.
Keyword that they will be making loss because 2 years also part of group relief, right?
Yeah, that's the part of the group relief that you need to be aware of. Okay.
So they can claim the cost of investment only for 2 years.
2 years, 70%. But you're going to take 70%. Okay. So the first option is what? What's the first option?
So is it in a way we are comparing the option of a branch and a company?
Set up within the, it's not like a branch, like set up within your current business or set up a new company. Within current operations. Or okay. So for A, can deduct or not? Next one. Pricing of palm fruit supplied by the plantation to mill. Okay. Correct. How now? Loan interest will be can. Last one. Are you clear this part? Any questions there? But there is one scenario you have to be careful about. What's that one scenario you have to be careful about? Let's continue a bit. This is special note. Okay, note under the This one will trigger a massive side effect. What's the effect? Can you see what's the impact? So it affected three parts. It doesn't affect part B, but it affects part A, C, D, E. Got it? Do you understand what's this issue, right? Yes, no? It's still within the same business, but they're treated as a separate business. So this one, you might be required to test whether it's the same business or a different business. Got it? This has come up many times before. Remember ice water, and the guy had mineral water and then ice making business? Clear on the concept or not? The testing of whether it can be put together in one business or two separate business. Because the treatment is two statutory income, yes or not? Are you clear or not clear? Your adjusted income, you have to calculate one for one business, correct? You can't merge it. You can't show a consolidated adjusted account. You have to do a split adjusted account. Make sense? So this question, you got three outcomes. What's the three outcomes? This part, no? That's your answer part. One business. Understand or understand? Can I? Is it one business? Is it two business? Or is it two companies? main idea they came up when these two companies was what? Here was yes or no? When it's two separate business, it's basically I'll just use one word for this one. You know what's the one word I'll use? Remember the idea of ring fencing? That's the one that you have to learn here. Got it? Whether it's going to be ring fence or not. This one, basically, I think there was no issue. Yes or not? Are we clear or not clear? Can? Make sense about that one? Yes, no? Actually, the answer is like, this one is not an issue, just dump everything together and just calculate it as per usual. Yes or no? So you get to benefit certain things here. Then you, but unfortunately, the IRB might do this, and then you have this ring fence coming in and causing a lot of problems, and you have to cross allocate and all that. So remember the capital allowance you thought you can use, but now you cannot use. Yes or no? It'll be blocked. Make sense?
Just as though it's like a completely different stuff.
It's two different. You have to do two different. Just income only. Yes or no? Okay. Are you okay in this part? It's the same as, remember when you did leasing. Leasing got two separate business. Yes or no? See, two separate business. One is a leasing business. One is a non-leasing business. And then the capital allowance you have to allocate. General capital allowance you have to allocate. Specific capital allowance you have to ring fence. Are you clear in the logic now? No? So you may share general capital allowance, but you know this one, the case is very clear cut that they are spending 100 million. That's a lot of money. Yes or no? Any questions there? Clear? Okay, good.